Hi everybody, welcome back. Welcome. This is your first time here. It's Temuesday. I don't know what's in here. I say that every time I film one of these videos, but Temu has been splitting up my orders, and like half of it comes from the post office and half comes from like FedEx. I don't know. So I know what I ordered. I just don't know what's in this particular package. It looks like it's more nail stuff. What do you know? I got these for my sister and my mom if I need to replace any of her nails, but um these are supposed to be pre-etched, so you don't have to like etch the inside of them. No file, no need file, natural fitting. Okay, yeah, that's cool. Like they're already textured on the inside. And the biggest one is, well, way too small for my finger, but you know what you're gonna do. And they feel yeah, they're pretty flimsy, but that one's even smaller. Okay, so I think those were like $2. I don't know. Oh, I'm so glad I have more of these because I bought a pack and proceeded to leave them everywhere. But these are just darning needles. I like these because they have you, the little bend. I finished my blanket this morning that I was working on, but these made them a lot easier. Made it a lot easier to deal with. This looks like a gel. Chameleon flake gel. I'll be the judge of that. Oh, that's just in time for St. Patrick's Day. That's nice. Doesn't look very. Oh, I guess it. Yeah, I guess you can see it's like yellow gold. I mean yellow green, and it's like blue green. Cool. Yeah, you can really see it. There you go. All right. I'll have to put that on the side for when I do my mom's nails next week, so she can have nice St. Patrick's nails. This is all that's in here. Okay. Um, I don't have time for all of this plastic shit. This is C45. I don't know what color it is. What do we think? Oh, it's nude. What do you know? I think I have this. If I don't have this exact one, I have one that's extremely similar. That's good. We love a good nude. And hopefully this one's something metallic. Because it's like whenever I do my mom's nails, if I use something metallic, it always looks good. Even though I am hypercritical of everything I do. This is a C46, so it's probably that exact same color, just maybe slightly darker. Yep. What do you know? I know I have a color exactly like this. I keep buying these nudes and these pinky nudes all the time. So, for nail things, and hey, at least something kind of crafty. I love these. Um, these are, I mean, if you get them from like Hobby Lobby, they're like $6 for maybe two or three. Uh, I think these were like definitely under $3. So yeah, I'll have another call when I get the next package. I don't know when that is because one usually comes relatively quickly, and then the other one comes 7.5 weeks later. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.